Welcome. Today we're going to see how easy it is to make a Geode account. We're at geodechain.com, and the first thing is we want to make sure that we've got the extension, the polka dot extension for either Firefox or Chrome desktop. We're going to go Firefox today, and we're going to download the extension and authorize that and allow it for private browsing. Why not? And now we have the extension. So at this point, to make an account, it's as easy as go to the extension and click the big plus. Take this seed phrase, this set of words, copy it somewhere safe. You do not want to lose it. It's how you're going to recover your account if you ever lose your password. Now we make a name for this account, and we make a password for this account. You want it to be nice and strong, and you want to keep your password as safe as you keep that seed phrase from the first panel. Very, very important. Don't give it to anybody. Make your account, and now the account is in the extension, and the extension keeps it safe there when you switch between tabs. So now when you go to the Geode portal, you authorize the extension. And then when you go to the accounts page in the Geode portal, you'll see your account there. And it says extension, which means it's being kept in the extension. If you click on it, you get extra info. So make an account, bring in your friends, and I'll see you on the Geode portal.